What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to show you guys how to detail your engine for just under 10 bucks. 10 bucks DIY engine detailing, Hondas only. I don't want none of you Chevy guys, Nissan guys, freaking Ford guys. None of you guys are allowed. Only Honda members, alright? I like that. Honda members only. So yeah, we're gonna head down to the nearest 99-cent store I have here in my neighborhood, and I'm gonna show you what we're about to buy. This is it, the best right here.
And how much is
so
that?
Here, it's $1.25. The best thing I love about this place is they sell them either in the big pack. This is 18 bucks. And it has 36 of them, of these microfiber towels. But you can purchase 2 for $1. So we're at $2.25, $3.25.
Do you really need that much towels?
$4.25. No, I'm not gonna need this much towels, but I'm low on my rags right now, so I need these. Okay. Also, the thing that's gonna be the most expensive, Armor All. I'm gonna get the little bottle. It's $1.99.
We have some at home.
I know, but the purpose of the video. Oh yeah. So I left 2 of the rags. A little birdie told me I should probably get something like this, so we can get in the crevices. I really don't use brushes. I usually just go, but we're gonna give it a shot. So far, what is this? $1. If it has no tag, it's $1. So we're at $1.25, $2.25, $3.25, $4.25, and then another $2, $6.25. So $6.25, still under 10 bucks. We walked out of that store. Once again, we purchased 4 rags, 1 bottle of fully concentrated Totally Awesome, 1 scrubber, and 1 mini bottle of Armor All. And of course, I had to include my drink, and the total came out to $8.28. As you can see here, we have a bunch of oil leaks down there, and the engine is overall dirty. Alright, cut to the cinematics.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear.
Okay, so let's get started with cleaning up the engine bay. Okay, so gonna give the car a start. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna saturate it. After I saturated the engine, I decided to get the scrubber and agitate all the oil stains. I didn't really do as much as I wanted to as far as getting in depth with scrubbing the heck out of it, just due to the paint that it requires. It needs a lot of paint done on the valve cover, on the air box, etc. So I'm just gonna agitate as much as I possibly can. I'm just going to give it a rinse down here with my pressure washer. Just make sure you're cautious of where you're spraying the water. I would highly recommend, just staying away from the electrical components. I have a vehicle running, and also I have a bunch of experience doing this. It's not my first time, but just make sure you're very cautious towards your distributor and other items, etc. So yeah, hopefully you guys stick around for the end result. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments what you think. Honestly, it stayed clean, and when I go to work on it to paint the valve cover, it's gonna be clean. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this video. And yeah, remember you guys, Honda members only. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. See you guys later.
My love is to no calls.